flights are cheap, right? You can also go,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, but cheap, but they not let
Go.
go.
My father was here for 14 years in Dubai.
No, no.
My father.
Oh, your father. Oh,
He passed away in 2012.
okay.
So initially he came in 80s, 87 or 88.
Yeah.
He was an AC foreman. That time he used to come home once in a 2 years, for 2 months. And at that time there was no phones and everything,
Yeah.
though no landlines.
Yeah.
So maybe once a 6 month you will receive a call, but otherwise the latest.
Later than cassette also.
It was very difficult.
Yeah.
I still sometimes think about it, that how he survived without family.
Yeah. That time was very hard.
Now you can daily see photos.
Yes, just
and
now I
video
talk.
call.
Now I start talk from since what time?
Yeah.
8 o'clock.
You did a
9
video
o'clock.
call.
Still, yeah, video call. Yeah.
Correct.
Just I close now.
I just think about it, that my father used to see us, like little, and after 2 years when he come, we are like all grown up and everything.
So you are also living here, or just looking
No,
for
no,
visit?
no. I came for a walk.
What?
I've been here a couple of times.
Oh.
So
So you're from India, right?
I'm from India, Mumbai. This bike, they go everywhere, right? Like
Yeah. Very dangerous. Especially bike.
those electric bikes, there are no rules for them, I guess,
Yeah.
right?
No, there is.
Okay, because they are like going from here to there on
But
footpath.
people they were doing. It's actually not.
After driving here, it must be difficult for you to drive in Pakistan, right?
Yeah. Because of the writing difference.
But because they must not be following all the rules, right? Like
Then no, yes. Yesterday we were talking Pakistan is friendly. As we, sit in the plane, when the plane fly, so then everyone become crazy, Yeah. When they landing down here,
they follow all the rules.
yeah, they follow all the rules, yeah. Because their nature is like this, Indian Pakistan same. I
Same,
think.
same.
Yeah.
Indians outside India will follow all the rules. Once they reach India, they will start, littering, throwing things.
Especially in driving, when we go out from the airport there, when we go back in Peshawar, so everyone look like crazy, because after 2 years, 1.5
In the village.
in the village, not in the city.
City.
During driving, everybody teep. Yeah. Especially which driver taking us from there, he is also honey. So I'm asking, why you honey?
So my father, whenever he used to come there, and I had a bike, two-wheeler. So why are you overtaking so many people? Just be in a line,
Yeah.
And I would tell him, we won't go anywhere if we just stay behind one person. But because here he was used to it, like if you follow a lane, just be in that lane.
But here is no raksha, no motorcycle for them, rule regulation. There, raksha will try to come in front of you. There is no pedestrian even.
Correct.
Yeah.
Pedestrian can't walk here. I was out here yesterday. It is like hell outside.
Yeah.
Without air condition, people will die.
Yeah.
is too hot. I
It's
don't
too
know.
hot.
It
It's
is
too hot, but better than our country. You know.
like Peshawar is hotter than this.
Yeah, yes, hot, but there is no facilities,
No air
no
conditioning.
electricity, no air condition. You will sit down like.
But I don't know in India any part gets this hot, you know, because
No,
I
we
was
have hot, we have hot.
shooting in UP Uttar Pradesh, which is in north.
Yeah,
So it gets really hot, you know, in the summer.
yeah. But some places in Pakistan there are still snow, and you
Yeah.
cannot walk without jacket.
Correct. But this is like extreme heat,
Yeah, yeah. This humidity is too much here.
too much. You go outside, you know. I like walking very much. You know, in Mumbai, I keep walking. Here, if you like have to walk in the shadow, also you can't walk because it's so much hot.
Yeah, but here in after November.
November, it is
Yeah,
pleasant.
November from start from November, December, January, February till to May, April end, we can walk
Okay.
outside. Nice weather. But in Pakistan, our problem is our army. We cannot go up.
The
Because
army
of
doesn't
our-
let the government function.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
if
yeah,
anyone wants to do
yeah,
anything good, the
yeah,
Pakistani
yeah,
army
yeah.
will.
You
know, the main reason-
You saw the Imran Khan.
Yeah.
He was doing very good for Pakistan. If he
And-
was a prime minister now, Pakistan will not like this nowadays.
And army got rid of him.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because they are thieves also. All are thieves. Once I was watching one movie, they counting the Indian ex
Properties.
No, no, ex
General.
general in Pakistan. There is no one in Pakistan. In India, all they are living in like a small bungalow.
Small, two bedroom hall kitchen they get
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in a society, in a
Yeah,
building.
Yeah.
And I was reading about Pakistan. If you retire from Pakistani army, you get a lawn,
Yeah.
you get a bungalow,
You will
mansion,
live-
not
yes,
a bungalow,
in
mansion.
Europe, yeah.
You have 3-4 servants,
Yes,
you know, working
yeah,
on
yeah, yeah.
Pakistani people's money. India, it is not like that. It is, you know,
But in India, they don't have any power.
no,
Pakistan,
army doesn't have any
yeah,
power.
yeah,
All
but-
the power is with politicians.
Yes.
But that is good in some,
That
like,
is
you
good.
know.
That is good. That is
That is how democracy,
original,
yeah.
usual democracy. But in Pakistan, there is by name. We didn't know about this before. When the Imran Khan came into power, he teach to everybody, every baby, that actually it's not like this. That's why they don't like Imran Khan. But he's very straight man. He start a health
But does Pakistani people want to, you know, get rid of army power?
70-80% people supporting Imran Khan. 2 days ago, there was strike, but peace strike. The name is peace strike.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
Peaceful.
Yeah.
protest, yeah.
For peace, the people came out.
Huh.
They did we want peace. So what they did in our army, they shoot them. I think 80 or 70 people are injured, and 6 or 10, 12 people are died.
And no one can say anything
No.
about that.
Who will ask? That is the problem.
That's why the economy is also going down.
Yes,
Because
economy
army
is
is
also-
spending so much
yeah,
money in, you know, making them richer.
Yeah.
Here also the living condition, you know, of a Pakistani, like, you know, I spoke to so many people, like the cab driver, and they say that, you know, majorly the white collar jobs, you know, Indians will get it, because Pakistan government doesn't provide good education.
Yeah. But the government don't want, the army don't want that someone become educated.
Yeah.
Because if
They will ask
everyone
question.
educated, they will ask question. Like Imran Khan, especially in our Patan,
Huh.
we have every capability in Patan. You can see Patan here. Okay, labor, engineer, a good doctor also. In every field you can
See Pathan.
see Patan. But the problem is they not let to
Study.
yeah.
So you have son or daughter? What? You are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Yeah.
Sorry, my hand is coming in there.
No problem.
And like, do you have children?
No, I don't.
Okay. But if you when you'll have children, you will like, is it the education free for them or what?
No, nothing free. Nothing free for them.
Okay. Because in it is really funny. I'll tell you. In India, for a girl, till the graduation, you don't have to spend a single, like in a proper, like well-known college also,
Yeah.
you don't have to spend a single rupee.
Yeah.
Government funds everything.
Yeah.
Plus, now every girl child gets, like every girl
Yeah.
gets 1,500 rupees in their bank account
Oh.
for per month.
No, but in Pakistan, the poor destroy everywhere. Which people coming out for the good job,
Right.
the rich people, children.
And the poor stays there only.
Yeah.
How to get down here?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking this heat.